I'll be showing you guys how you can add notes to your Facebook Messenger. So for that you need to have Messenger, the latest version. Make sure you have updated your Messenger. If you are on iOS, go to your App Store and type Messenger. If you see an update button here, just tap the update button. And if you are on Android, go to your Play Store and type Messenger. Same process. If you have an update button, tap the update button and update your Messenger, and then open your Messenger. From here, as you can see this plus icon on my logo, you need to tap here, and there you go. There you can type the message, hello everyone. And after typing the message, your note, you need to share this here. So yeah, that's how you share or add notes to your Facebook.